back from a chill flight with Chase, Azhar and Hakim. Okay, stop short because the weather is rainy today. Raining heavy, yeah. No time to rest. I'm gonna go out. I gotta go settle two things. One, this phone has got some issue with its compass and also its lighting. That means it doesn't know how to adjust the screen brightness. I think the sensor spoiled or something. That's first thing. Second thing, I'm gonna go meet Jeremy. He's gonna pass me a few bets. That's a few 4S, 3S, I'm not sure, but he says some cells are dead. I'm gonna use them to recycle and maybe make it into a maybe 2S or even 1S. I'll show you how I go about doing that in a later vlog, right? Oh, it was such a rush going through the whole process to get my phone sorted out. So this phone is my wife's Note 5. I have no choice, I'm gonna make use of it first. Tomorrow they tell me I'm gonna collect my phone again. So that's about it. Okay, so two things right to settle today. One, meet Jeremy. Two, I'm gonna go settle my phone. Phone settled, now go meet Jeremy, which is here. This fella here. Okay, so this buddy of mine here, okay, when I just started flying my quads, he was there to guide me along, okay, to push me along and force me to break a few quads. But that got me moving and learning the basics hard. Okay? He improved! I used to think that this was the fella that told me, hey, accelerometer off lah, just fly your quad, don't need angle mo atas siao eh, emergency then how? Nah, I don't even have it now. Simply, then now somebody's gonna ask me this, I'm just gonna say, off lah, don't need one lah. Okay, not Harleyan or what, but really you want your performance to peak in your quad, you switch off all the things you don't need and just fly acro. Steady. Okay, so this fella is gonna be passing me this bag of goodies. I think Christmas came early. Okay, yeah, I know I'm not supposed to say that. I don't celebrate Christmas, but he has a gift for me. A bag full of stuff, batteries and some other stuff. Partly I will need to try to recycle some of the batteries because if you got a dead cell, let's say a 4 cell, you got a dead cell, you can always make it into a 3 cell battery, and I'll show you later on in the vid maybe or in another vlog. Okay, let's see how much time I have. If else, see you back at home, or no, I'm going for dinner after this, so see you then. Okay, so last phase, time to eat with my wife and Haslina. I'm back at Samsung here to collect my phone, and I've been told that the screen protector is still on. Okay, that's good news because I do not want to go and spend another $65 on another screen protector. Okay, good thing is the warranty is going to be lasting for about 1 more year, so I got 1 year. I don't hope to come back here to expand my warranty. But that's good to hear. I can just come back and get any repairs done. Alright. Let's see if it turns. Yep, everything's okay for the compass. Let's see if the screen brightness works. Never mind lah, I trust that he says it works. Okay. And so I got some free stuff from Samsung customer care. One of them is some cloth, S8 cover. Okay, free stuff, I just take only. And chocolates. Nice one. Thank you Samsung.